Let's talk about glasses. There are so many brands on the market about glasses. How do we choose the right brand for you and the quality for you? Let's take a look. For most of the commercial kitchens, we use a standard, high quality, very durable glasses in daily use. Some restaurants or hotels will have all-day dining facilities and areas for customers to dine in. These glasswares are very suitable for ages all around, from little kid to adult to the elderly, because they're durable and they're dishwasher friendly and they're in very good quality. Now there are some characteristics about these sets of glasswares. First of all, you can see the edges. They're a little bit thicker comparing to normal glasses, and also the rim as well is a little bit thicker comparing to your usual glass. Now this makes it dishwasher friendly and is more durable when it comes to washing. Also, you see the legs over here? They are significantly thicker comparing to others. These makes it extra durable and be ready for collision or daily use. And it's also very good in price as well. Now let's move on to a higher tier of glasswares. These glasswares remain durable, however a little more delicate in the shape and the design. Take a look at the handle. It is a little bit thinner and a little bit more lighter comparing to your commercial grade. Now both of these glasses has a competitive advantage when it comes to production. When they're being produced, they're produced in 3 steps. First, you create the container itself, then is the middle part, and then is the holding part at the bottom. And all of these 3 parts are being jointed together later on. With mass production, it will be very easy to control the cost and a better price for the material that you paid for. These products are very good for hotels when they're doing all-day dining. If you're in a luxury hotel or a fine dining restaurant, we will use crystal glass. Crystal glasses are more delicate in terms of design, and they also has a thinner leg standing in between, and also the thickness is much thinner comparing to your common ADD dining use commercial glasswares. With thinner glasses, it's much more harder to do for a standard machine inside of a factory. You can also see the details and the finishing as well. Over here, they are obvious and connected into 2-piece, but over here it's almost like a 1-piece structure. However, more delicate also means more fragile as well, so you do have to take care of these glasswares very carefully. If you don't know what styles of glassware is most suitable for you, you're most welcome to visit our showroom directly. Or, if you're inconvenient to do so, we can also show you online. And no matter what styles or what range of glasswares you choose, INEO has a very strong quality check team to make sure that all the products you receive is of the best quality.